So since I'm doing a week in a life, I will just going to be talking about something I'm starting this week. So I'm using this ceramide products. I really don't know what is working for me. I've been battling with pimples for a while now. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is officially welcoming you guys to this vlog. So this is going to be a week in my life, so practically showing you guys my week. So I just finished having my break now. Today is Sunday. We were unable to go to church due to some reasons, so we have a church that we attend somewhere here, the Redeemed Church, but today we were unable to go. So I'm using this ceramide products. I don't know if you guys can see it. So these products, I really don't know what is working for me. I've been battling with pimples for a while now. I had like breakout, serious breakout, like roughness of face and all that. But I bought face packs. I'm going to put a picture. So that's what I've constantly been using, that with just like normal, just my cream. The major thing I use is this Beauty Formula vitamin C, and I use this. So I think that face wash, that's what is doing the major work. And then this, I try incorporating this ordinary product, the Ordinary. So I discovered that anytime I use it, I have breakout. So if I get to use it today, tomorrow I have breakout. So I'm really happy for the progress, and I'm going to stop using this Ordinary. I don't know why. I've heard a lot about it, which is why I told my sister to help me get it from the US. So she got it and sent it to me. So I'm really surprised that it's not working for me. I'm really surprised, but so that is that. So just to update you guys, how have life been? So it's a building process for us, especially as newlyweds. So we have been building basically. So last week we ordered for some things. I was supposed to do an unwrapping video, but I'm sorry. So it was my husband that ordered for it. Let me show you guys the first thing. These sneakers. So I needed sneakers, and then he ordered for these from Jumia, and it's a 0/10. The quality that we saw is not what he's giving. Like, also ordered for a gown. Though it's already in the washing machine to be washed. So the quality, I would say it's like a 5/10. Yeah. Also, we ordered for blender. So I've been using manual blending machine for a while now. So eventually I'm like, let's order. So my husband actually placed an order for a blender. Though we unboxed it, I used it yesterday, which was on Saturday. But this is the Silver Crest product. Out of everything we ordered, the blender was just something that was still okay. It came in this machine. It has a blending this, as this also. So it's a Silver Crest product, 8,500 watts. I honestly don't know why these blenders have high watts, high voltage, because we want to take a lot of lights. But funny, I'm happy that our electricity was able to carry. So I basically used electricity, NEPA lights, to power it, and it functions so well. We did moi yesterday. I wish I took a video. My husband made moi for us on Saturday. So delicious moi. I'll put a picture. Those sumptuous and nice. My husband cooked, by the way. My husband cooks so well. When my husband enters the kitchen, he blows everybody away because he does so well in the kitchen. The next thing we plan to get is a standard oven gas, so we can be baking and all that. So that is the next thing. We also got a freezer, and this freezer has been a lifesaver. We got it last year, and it has actually served us. That saved me from a lot of stress. So I don't have to be cooking every day, every week. So what we do is we go to the market to buy things in bulk. So we go there, we buy vegetables, pepper, onions, everything that we need. We go there, we buy them in bulk. I come home, I cook like soups, vegetable soups, and stock in the freezer. So anytime anybody wants to eat, you go there, you sort yourself out and all that. So that's how it has been. Yesterday I made jollof rice, and the moment my husband made, we just stocked some in the freezer. So guys, this is the freezer that we got, life-saving freezer. So this is what we have there now, a couple of soups and everything. So that's that about that. So this is late, but this is like a Christmas gift for me, for my husband. This personal system that I have it's actually outdated. He got the system for me. Here's my background, don't mind this. Here's my husband's space. My husband is a content creator, by the way, in case you guys don't know. He's into cryptocurrencies, finance, and so many things. Yes, majorly finance, investment, and all that. So this is his teaching board, basically. So since I'm doing a week in a life, I will just going to be talking about something I'm starting this week. So which is my consistency journey. I've struggled with consistency. Today I'll say, oh, I want to do this. I'll start 2 days, and then I'm already sleeping on it in days to come. So I'm like, I can't continue my life like this. So let me build my consistency. So it's a 30 days consistency journey. Consistency in the place of prayer, consistency in the place of the word, studying the word. So I studied yesterday, by the way. I did 4 chapters. Yes, so we need to cover the Bible. This has been so heavy in my heart. Like, God has become to me, we need to study the word. This is where I track my progress, studying of the word, and all that. I'm on a fast today. So basically, I'm just taking in water.
What am I doing this morning?
What do you want to eat?
Food.
Which type of food?
What's that food?
You eat jollof rice and moi with egg.
I don't want egg.
So what do you
If egg, I will eat.
And if you don't want egg, no problem.
But if you egg, I will eat.
If you don't want egg, you eat jollof rice and moi.
But if you egg, I will eat.
There's no egg. She may say that egg is not for use for me. Anyways, if you want to have it, you can have it. Yes, I don't see. Alright.
You're being so. My good. Oh yeah, piñata. We came out late. See my husband. He used to follow me to the bus stop every many. Hi guys, so today is Tuesday and on Tuesdays I work from home, so I'm starting work now. So I'm currently working. This one's husband's actually working here. Yay! So this is our work from almost time. So husband has had breakfast. This is currently past 1. I've not had breakfast because fasting. I'm doing intermittent fasting and I'm trying to lose weight. Yeah, this is my weight loss journey. God help me. Trying to lose weight. I'm not eating. I've just been sipping water. yesterday, what did I meet yesterday? When I got back yesterday, I was so tired. That's why I couldn't even, capture when I was heading back and all that. I was like, let me not get home, and also work pressure and all that. So I was so frustrated yesterday and tired. So immediately I got back, I just freshened up. I tried to do my consistent journey, this thing that I discussed with you guys. So I watched it and then studied the word for some time. I prayed, and then my husband made our meal. By the way, he made the sumptuous ABC soup. What you guys saw. So we ate semo yesterday. Well, I didn't really eat semo. I just took like 2 lumps of semo. So for my husband, I ate the semo actually. I just had bread. Before I got back, I was hungry because I didn't eat anything except the rice I took, which I ate in the morning when I got to work because I was having a serious headache yesterday. I don't know what caused it. So I just had to eat my food. I didn't even capture that, but I had my food in the morning. I just realized when I arrived at work, and I was just on water throughout the day till I got back. So when I got back, I saw bread in the house. I just had to mount on that bread with Nutrimix. So that's what I had yesterday, basically with 2 lumps of semo. And yeah, basically that was what I had. And today we are on our weight loss journey again. So today I'm going to exercise. I'll try to capture that. So that's like my plan. So days I work from home, so I'm not really exhausted and tired. I try to exercise. On days I go out, like yesterday I did 5,000 steps yesterday, 5,000, 6,000 steps. Yeah, but today I'm just on 700 because basically I'm working from home. So basically, just trying to be active. There's nothing really much that goes on when we are working from home. We're just doing our job when it's 5. Though when I'm working from home, I work till like past 5, 6. Yeah, so just to cover as much as I can, and then I can do other things. Maybe cook, listen to podcasts. Yeah, basically I want to do my personal work. So I have like some videos to edit. So which is what I'm going to be doing when I close from home. Yeah, I already made. You guys saw when I brought out stew, so I already boiled rice. So that's what I'm going to eat for lunch. And then if he does not eat lunch, he eats that as dinner. So without that, for me in the night, I plan to eat rice and stew with Debby, which I'm planting. Or rice and stew and planting. So either of that. But anyways, guys, so that's that. But this week, I have a speaking engagement this week, and I've been preparing basically. It's telling me I'll be sitting for a while. I'll try to move around when I'm done with this video. So it's on Sunday. I'll try to capture that event. This is to one, and we are currently working. My husband is also here. He's busy doing his thing. Yeah.
Today is Wednesday, and yes, I'm at home today, and we plan to do some basic things. Currently, we are doing our laundry. Yeah, and we also plan to make moi today. My husband is one making it, by the way, so I plan to soak the beans and other, but unfortunately we didn't get egg. The egg we had in the house has finished, and I don't want to make the moi without egg, so possibly I'm just going to postpone the moi making to another day, or I don't know yet. So we'll get to see how the day working goes. Yesterday we slept around 4 a.m. and I was up by to 9 because yes, I have to work. Say hi to the camera. Fine man.
So guys, we're going for suya dates.
Nice.
Suya dates. See my husband. We're going to buy suya, by the way. So guys, we just came back from our night walk. We've been indoor for more than 2 days. For me, I think the last time I went out was on Monday. Today is Wednesday. Yeah, so we actually took a walk. This happens sometimes. So we ended up buying pineapple, pepper to make some sauce, and egg for our moi. Hope you guys remember. So that's it, guys. We are heading home now. My husband is behind the camera. We are back. So right now I want to cook. We plan to make spag and egg. Yeah, something like you guys will get to see. So I want to make spag now. There's no lights. there's no NEPA light, so I'll be using touch lights till NEPA brings the lights. So
every thought I'm full of control. Do it all again, I'm on to be.
Okay.
Crowd is here, about to blow. Wait for me to start the show. How the cars and lights go on from home. Whoa!
Yeah?
About to be.
Oh yeah.
I am the king.
Becoming the God, my freedom.
It's a change the game, I'm gonna make it big. I built my kingdom.
You lose your breath. Okay. I'm the